Hello, amazing people. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. In my channel, I basically share how we can go about flyers, design, logos, banners using the mobile smartphone device. So the application we utilize is Pixellab. So it's available on Play Store. You can go right there to get the app. So today, this is what the flyer we're going to be achieving together. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So the first thing we do is we want to make sure this is at default, okay, to start our design. So I'm going to delete this text. So the first thing is I want to bring in the background, the color I want for the background. Okay, so I'm going to go for something like this. I'm going to go for this, as you can see right on the screen. So the next thing I want to do is I want to bring in a shape. Just watch. So I just drag this up, then I increase the radius, as you can see. You can see I increase the radius. After that is done, the next thing I want to do is I come to the shape tab, then click on relative position and make sure it is at the center. Then I just come here, increase the speed, then move it up. Okay, then I can just drag this if I like. If I like. So the next thing I want to do is I want to turn on the stroke. Okay, so I've selected black for the stroke, you can see. Then I increase it to max. Okay, that's basically it. So the next thing I want to do is I want to pick a circular shape. Yes, a circular shape. Then I want to pick a color. So I've selected the color I want for it. Then I just want to put it around this edge, as you can see. So the next thing I want to do is I want to turn on the stroke for the circle. I just click on stroke, I enable it, I pick on the color I want. Okay, I think I'm okay with 10. Okay, so the next thing I want to input some text. Okay, the best. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to pick a font. Okay, so I'm going to come to the text tab, then I'm going to click on font. So I'm going to be going with the Blogger Sans bold. It's right, it comes with the Pixellab application. Okay, so I just increase the speed, I just move it to my end. Okay, so I can decide to increase the size, as you can see right there. So the next thing I want to write is kitchen. Okay,
I think it's not inside.
Kitchen.
Is it only you that is inside? Sorry.
Kitchen. Okay, after I've inputted kitchen, then I just move it right here, as you can see. So the next thing I want to do is I want to give it a bit of spacing. Okay, so that's basically it. Then just make sure you are centralizing it properly. Okay, so I want to come to this same tab, I want to increase it more. Okay, there's enough space there to afford that. So the next I want to pick shape. So I'm going to pick circle. So just watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to reduce the size pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to select a shape, a color, sorry. So this is the color I'm going to be selecting. I just move it here, reduce it a bit. The next thing I want to do right here is I want to come to the shape tab and duplicate. Now I've duplicated it, so I just come to relative to make it fast. Okay, so then now I can say I want to move it around here. So this is to give it some kind of beauty. Okay, or so I reduce the size. Okay, after doing that I just move it closer, as you can see. Then I duplicate it once more, then to make things easy. Okay, so I come to the position, so I want to do it manually, so I just move it about. Okay, as you can see. So that's a design on its own now. So the next thing I want to do is I click on the shape. I've clicked on the shape now. Then I'm going to go to texture to bring in some images. Okay, so I'm going to click on my gallery, others, then my, so I want to select some kind of food. Okay, so okay, I'm going to pick this, as you can see. Then you can decide to crop it. Yes, you can decide to crop it, depends on you. So you can decide to crop it. Then after that is done, okay, then you can increase the scale. Okay, as you can see. So that's basically it. So the next thing is I want to duplicate this. So I just go to where the shape is, I just duplicate, okay, because I want to make use of something like this. Okay, so I just put it around this edge. Okay, so same thing, I want to bring in another image. So same place, I want to pick up an image. Okay, now I'm going to select this. So I think we're cool. Okay, so that's it. So the next I want to do is I want to input some text, which is we have home. So now I want to select a appropriate font for it. Okay, so I'm going to select one of those fonts. So let me choose, I'm going to be using this. Okay, this. So I just increase the size a bit more, as you can see right here. Then I duplicate. Yeah, then I input another set of text, delivery. So after that, so I just reduce this a bit, then position it right under it properly. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to input another text. Okay, instead of picking on that font, I just duplicate this. So we have now available. So after I've done this, now I reduce the size. So I reduce it pretty well. So I just make sure I position it properly. Okay, so I can just come here to move the rest. Okay, as you can see. So now I'm going to select a color for this. So I'm going to select this. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to input the contacts. For the contacts, you can contact us. Okay, I don't want everything capitalized, so contact us. You can see. Then I just move it down here. Then I pick a font, an appropriate font for it. Okay. Nope. Okay, I think I'm good with this. I just reduce the size a bit. Then I pick. Okay, then I pick a shape. Then I just reduce the size. Then I pick color black. Then I just move it. So I just reduce the size of the shape. I reduce the size. So after that is done, the next thing I want to do is I want to come to emboss. I will enable it. Okay. Okay. So now that that is done, I'm going to 3D shape. I enable it. Okay. So I'm clicking on oblique. Okay. Okay. Then I darken it. So as you can see, then I just move it down a bit more. Then I click on text to input some text. So we have it's not a real number. Okay, so we just select a font, something good. Okay, so just reduce the size, then so just want more text left. So I just input the location of the, okay, as you can see. Then we can just move it around this place. Reduce the size, then we can just move it manually. Okay, so I want to pick a font. Okay, I think I'm good with this. So you can just come to emboss to give it some sparkling look. As you can see, just make it look good. Okay, we do the same thing for this. You can come right here, enable it. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, cool. Do the same for delivery. You can just come here. Okay, it's pretty okay. So you can come to the 3D text, enable it, and just darken. So as you can see, with this we are done with the flyer. So all we have to do is just save up our work, then we just save it as image, save to gallery. So if you find the video interesting and you enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos from me, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop a new video you will be notified. Thank you very much for watching to the end. Much love. God bless. See you in the next video.